Good morning, I'm Chef Ivan Flowers, and today we're cooking mussels with lemon and butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our pan hot. When you buy mussels, these are PEI, Prince Edward Island. Very, very safe. Make sure the mussel is closed, and if there is a beard, you want to pull the beard. So our pan is hot. We're going to go in with a little bit of wine. Along with that little steam, little wine, I like a little bit of an extra virgin olive oil for the butteriness and the contrast. I'm going to put a touch of pepper and then a touch of salt in the broth. And that's going to come up rather quickly. So mussels with lemon and butter. Butter, make sure it's unsalted. Never use salted butter. This is European butter, so it's got a higher butter fat, really creamy, really delicious. A Pelugra, a Normandy butter, an Echeray, if you can find them, is well worth it. So we're coming to nice temperature here. Good amount of butter. Remember, after you make the sauce, you decide how much you want to put on. Little shallots. Contrast and sweetness. Again, lemons and limes, you roll it. What do? Show you a trick. On the quarter, you box cut it. And then you have these pieces, and you say, how much juice will I get? A ton. And these little pieces, they just keep going because most of the juice is on the outside of the lemon. When you roll it, you can get some of it inside. I say, don't roll it. Use the outside, attack that juice, get the juice where it's supposed to be. Where there's lemons, there's limes. Why not? So at this point now, we're going to go in with our mussels. And they're going to cook quickly. Usually, I like to put garlic in with mussels. I'm doing it a little different. This is garlic confit. And you can see our little babies are opening already. So at this point, I'm going to hit them with a little bit of fine herbs. I'm going to do a little shake. Beautiful. Just when they open, again, 3/4 of the shell. A minute and a meal fit for a king. A little Chardonnay, a little crusty bread, back porch, good book. Mussels with lemon, butter, confit garlic, and fresh herbs with a touch of good olive oil. It's the way to go.